We are here in the western part of Fernando de Noronha Island, looking over Dolphin Bay. This is in the middle of the national park and the most special place for spinner dolphins here. This is Fernando de Noronha at its finest, the pristine nature as it has been for thousands of years. The dolphins, whales, sea turtles and birds seen here today are proof that the conservation efforts and the national park laws are working. It is a huge contrast to other parts of the island, where humans dominate both the land and the sea, and the national park laws cannot protect the wildlife. We're here in the harbour of the island. This is one of two bays that the dolphins seek refuge in. This is also where human activity is concentrated the most. We can see fishing vessels and kayak tour operators sharing their space with vessels bringing supplies from the mainland. This is also the most problematic area on the island. Since the national park doesn't cover the bay, humans and dolphins can get very close here. This is also the area where the Spinner Dolphin project is closely monitoring the interactions between spinner dolphins and kayak tour operators and tourists on the water.
Então, os golfinhos eles podem ser afetados pela atividade turística em várias diferentes formas. Uma das principais pode ser a questão da poluição sonora, principalmente em virtude de ter mais gente, o pessoal procura por mais passeios de barco também. Mas não só isso, como também a própria ocupação da superfície do mar, uma vez que os golfinhos vêm para a superfície regularmente para conseguir respirar. E cada vez tem aparecido novas modalidades de esportes ou passeios aquáticos. Então os golfinhos têm perdido um pouco de espaço ou de superfície em locais que eles costumam estar parados para desenvolver comportamentos íntimos, de uma forma que eles procuram a região em virtude de ser um lugar calmo, seguro para comportamentos mais íntimos, e uma vez que nós estamos presentes nesses locais, a gente acaba criando movimentações, fazendo com que os golfinhos se desloquem mais do que eles gostariam e afetando assim a qualidade do repouso, a qualidade na atividade sexual e também do cuidado das fêmeas com os filhotes.
Projeto Golfinho Rotador is an NGO on the island of Fernando de Noronha. The Spinner Dolphin project was founded in 1990 out of passion and a necessity for preserving the island's dolphin population. For over 30 years, they have been researching everything there is to research on the dolphins. What they're looking at is behaviour above and under the water's surface, population size and changes, migrations, and especially how dolphins have been reacting to so many tourists being in the water. While documenting dolphin-human contact, especially that during canoe tours, the team focuses on changes in direction of canoes, how close canoes are getting, if they're following the dolphins around, and how regularly the dolphins are surfacing. Irregular surfacing is a sign of distress and disorganization within the dolphin pod. We speak to Rafael from the Spinner Dolphin project.
O Projeto Golfinho Rotador ele teve seu início em 1990, com o intuito de estudar e entender sobre os comportamentos dos golfinhos e sobre a história natural desses animais aqui em Fernando de Noronha. E a partir disso a gente viu a necessidade de aplicar também alguns outros programas que ajudam na conservação dos golfinhos de Fernando de Noronha e da biodiversidade marinha. Então, atualmente, a gente procura desenvolver ações de pesquisa, educomunicação ambiental, sustentabilidade e envolvimento comunitário para que manter a qualidade de vida dos golfinhos e de Fernando de Noronha.
One of the protective measures in place is the ban on underwater filming of dolphins. This surprised us at first, because we were making a documentary on the conservation of dolphins. After speaking with Rafael from Projeto Golfinho Rotador, it became clear that by forbidding everyone except researchers from filming dolphins, it ensures people don't get too close to the dolphins or chase them for footage. This rule is one that will help ensure the dolphins' well-being in a future of increased tourism. There seem to be two types of tourists on the island. Those that come to witness Fernando de Noronha's incredible nature and wildlife in a respectful way, and those that seem to find themselves on the island simply for the pleasures of a relaxing and fun holiday. Most touristic activities on the water take place in the harbour and in the surrounding waters. This is the most problematic area on the island, as wildlife is not protected by the national park rules. With the right rules in place, Fernando de Noronha has a chance to become a beacon of sustainable ecotourism in the world. It is going to take a strong set of laws and educated professionals, such as certified dolphin tour guides, to ensure the wildlife and nature of this island for future generations.